Ever wondered how some brands or influencers amass such a considerable following on social media? Well, it's not magic or pure luck. It's strategic planning, consistent effort, and meaningful engagement. The first step to growing an audience is to define who that audience is. You must understand their interests, their demographics, their behaviors. This knowledge will allow you to tailor your content to resonate with them, to strike a chord that makes them want to follow you, engage with you, and share your content. The next step is to optimize your social media profiles. A recognizable profile picture, a compelling bio, and links to your website or other relevant pages are crucial. Consistency is key in growing an audience. Maintain a consistent visual and messaging style across all your social media platforms. This helps in creating a cohesive brand identity that followers can recognize and connect with. Then, consider your content. It should be high quality, valuable, and relevant to your audience. It should solve their problems, entertain them, or provide useful information. Do not forget to develop a consistent posting schedule. Post at times when your target audience is most active on each platform. Use scheduling tools to plan ahead. Engage with your audience actively. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions. Foster a sense of community by acknowledging your followers. They will appreciate it, and it will help build loyalty. The strategic use of hashtags can increase the discoverability of your content. Research and use relevant hashtags, but avoid overusing them. Consider collaborations. Collaborating with influencers or other businesses in your niche can expose your profile to their followers and help you tap into new audiences. Running contests or giveaways can encourage user participation and sharing. This can help increase your reach and attract new followers. Don't shy away from using paid advertising options on social media platforms. They can help target specific demographics and expand your reach. Cross-promote your social media profiles across different platforms and channels. Mention your social media accounts on your website, email signatures, and other marketing materials. Craft content that is easily shareable. This could be in the form of informative infographics, entertaining videos, or engaging memes that resonate with your audience. Leverage live video features and stories on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. These formats tend to receive higher visibility and engagement. Regularly analyze your social media analytics to understand what content performs well. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to optimize your approach. Finally, share educational content that provides value to your audience. This can position you as an authority in your industry and attract a more engaged following. Remember, growing an audience on social media takes time and patience. Focus on building authentic connections and providing value to your audience, and the growth will follow. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. But with these steps in mind, you're well on your way to the finish line.